has been drawn over the circulating information. I don't want to respond because it is unnecessary, but there is a reason why I have come up to debunk that.
We dey upon can always use ware. It can deceive and deceive. It's in Kawela Lagos, you got to meeting. My brother can go to Kwala Promio Kulala. Well, get a Bakusalade, or Huber, or Kumala, or Kumawa, or Panato, one any army penetrated Alaco, she had a Brilla Laco, the life of Paco Gaga, Dunanya. Only 1 hour quick idea for no deceive Boya at this time. My brother, Mwogi, Achawami Kugito Ibegi. Mwogi, Ntagi Cham, and one more barage, Achawami Kugito Ibegi. Because soon never go me here. Abatramala, we boogie anybody. Abatramala, I took him any one faco. Abatramala, we boogie anybody lalaco. Until you know our plan, I will boom my senior brother, no. And we're going your major. Unachanoya drone easy. Amanda Taquizio, Kanguna Zoku. And I only put idea for the deceive Boya. My brother Kanguna Zoku. Here, Nigeria government or Alota Britain, France. They fought me that they didn't succeed. Or rather, I well there. How can you feel that only Alota we are good and fine? Kaichi, Onye Maria, or Rodegu. Because I'm from Naketa, Unuton is here now, only one episode. Onye Maribea, or Brodegu. Adama, come later for now, they go. Therefore, is a small boy. I'm not in common with him. Come out and fight my boys. Who are your boys? Fulani Hessman is your boys. After the people of Ako bribe room, after the people Chinwando. If I start counting you people, Chinwando, Lofishi, Chinwando, who know about a meeting, Yam 1.2 million naira. Come back to Orono kidnapper. Jessica Sweaton or war enemy to Ako. And I came back, I fought for kidnapping of the people of Ako. All the Runa Anya case, you will make kidnapping Lala Conquer. Who go pressure they include, with the mother, pressure they include of the kidnapping Ala Melokroma, Akuto Hube. I made it clear to everybody. Now later on, I was the enemy. I don't care. And I can never beg for anyone. Therefore, no, to hell. Therefore, no, to hell. To hell with your so-called amnesty. Thunder fire generation agree with that amnesty. Amnesty. Thunder babu odekeda at John. I may be the Caliban. If you don't know me too well. I may be the Caliban. I want area today. Oh yeah, the Koragelama. Upon a man chare. Nam you go ahead, you go hell, you go to hell. With your amnesty and other, with your Nigeria. I was in Nigeria. Naga begidela kwa that stroke. Still yet take an olezuare. Naga begidela kwa with this condition of that stroke. But again, away there for neck and olezuare. It can deceive and deceive. It's in Kawela Lagos, you got me to meeting. My brother can go and so well, like Promio Kulala. Well, a quoqua. Get a Bakusalade, or Huber, or Kumala, or Kumawa, or Panato. One day, any army penetrated Alaco, she had a Brilla Laco. The life of Paco Gaga. Lie here. Alataramia, Akogati and her. Any bloody civilian, any individual from Rosa Alaco. When the Mabato was here to sell you, una confirm on them. Imona Monuname because of number trouble the joy. Camelo Munamurofi, Unania Zuzuare. I want much to say, but on your Yawakabara. This is only message when you drop room. Until Biafra, until I'm the Calabuna. You people can never hear my voice. You people can never see me again. Omo aka gentle. Obuonya Wendola Toyota. I love my people so much. And my people want me very belanki baza I'm sharing her. When I confirm Oko Shadi. I like to confirm desert. I like to always what him off ya. Bilito to Tradisa. I was come on little like Okore. When I confirm by Alawa. After all, no barrel on Namoko. Uno born to down my father's house. Boom, I see nobody no. Can you know Maroon? But no way boom walk. Or no when you're to request now. Go where? Ah? Go to life for the year. Kill the mind, I went like ah, more actually peace, where you get me peace, call them. Why there is no peace? Ah, why there is no peace? And you people are there deceiving yourselves. You people are there deceiving yourselves. Mbolo need to carry their peace when I plan Salakunish where they walk. I'm for peace again. Thunder, when no get brother about your auntie. There's no peace. There will be no peace in our country. Namdekalo comes out. There will be no peace again in our country. Samonepa comes out. Anybody that comes with peace again, huh? I will accept you people. No, the only level for that peace must go down. I don't ever want to walk on idea. Well, I don't know how let me be, but I don't know when no get on them. What you could down there. Let me follow to the one back about that wall. I keep as Arabu. Okay, think say you wise. I will tell you, say you be small boy. You know wise at all. Arabu there. I get what peace and I happy. more urgent to happy na kwa mwetelo onwe ha na kwa wotala themselves ona ni la ko kala fighting for the freedom na kwa awotala onwe ha the set of people ebure go binya ha next one ebure war we ga totoro lo mma the set here ablaze are we living at the home and you be galolo mad why setting the house of the people are ablaze therefore why burning the house of the people because your father's house has no wage